Hey guys, in my last tutorial I showed you how to tie lark's head and cow hitch knots with only one end of your rope. Today I'm going to expand on that tutorial and show you how to tie continuous lark's head knots around a ring. I'm using a 2-inch ring and 5 feet of 3mm 3-ply rope. Let's get started. To tie your lark's head knot, bring the end of your cord in front of the ring. Bring it behind the ring and then around to the front. Bring the cord under the ring and then through the loop. We will now tie our second lark's head knot. Bring the cord in front of the ring and then through the loop. Bring the cord under the ring and then through the loop. I'll show you one more time. Continue this process all the way around your ring. I'm going to show you one more method to attach your lark's head knots. This method leaves rope in between each lark's head knot, which will create loops. Instead of attaching your next lark's head knot directly beside the previous knot, leave extra rope in between. Repeat that process around your ring. Here's what the other side looks like. I have a tutorial for a macrame flower that uses this method. If you're interested, please see the description for a link. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment, and/or share it. Tutorial requests are always welcome, so drop a comment below if you're interested in a specific knot or pattern tutorial. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook.